What's up, guys, and welcome back to Book of Entertainment. So, there is a letter that is currently circulating right now on social media, and it includes, the formal charges and offenses that were actually committed by Floyd Shivambu. So, of late, this is how MK Party is actually going. They first sort of like leak these letters, and it's just like rumors, and I'm wondering like who is leaking all of this. If you look, for example, the expulsion of or the redeployment of Floyd Shivambu from SG to Parliament, it started with letters circulating on social media and people dismissed them and saying, no, 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 that is not true. But then turned out to be later confirmed, And it's the same thing with these formal charges. And there's so much, So they're saying gross dereliction of duty and negligence, refusal to issue appointment letters to the provincial department, undermining legitimate leadership structures. These are all the offenses, that are being said to have been committed by Floyd. Abuse of office and imposition of parallel structures, promoting divisions in the party. Can you imagine that? These are all like serious charges being thrown to Floyd Shivambu, and it can only mean one thing, when a list of all these charges are being, like accused to have been committed by Floyd, it only means that, he's going to be expelled. He's not like going to be redeployed and be removed from parliament and be left as an ordinary member. It just means that he's going to be fired from MK Party and he's just going to be just another guy, because those charges that have been listed on that piece of paper, those are very, very serious. It's very sad because if Floyd gets expelled from MK Party, this will be the end of his political career, and he'll have no way of reviving his political career. I mean, he has nowhere to go. No EFF, no ANC. Where else can you go? Action SA, Patriotic Alliance, with all the confusion that is there. Obviously, the DA is off the table. The only viable option that he has is to actually start his own new political party. But right now, at the moment, I just don't see any gap that he can come in and fill, and he doesn't have, like a home ground of support like Jacob Zuma that he can fall back on and rely on. So it's really disastrous for Floyd. This is truly the end of his political career. I'll catch you